In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update Zoom app. Keeping Zoom current gives you the latest features, performance improvements, and important security fixes, and it only takes a moment. This walkthrough applies to the Zoom desktop app on Windows and macOS. Make sure the Zoom app is open on your computer and you're on the main home screen, not in an active meeting, so you don't interrupt anything mid-call. First, look to the upper right corner of the Zoom window. You'll see your profile button, which might be your photo or your initials inside a small circle. If you don't see it right away, try enlarging the Zoom window so the top bar is fully visible. Clicking this profile button opens a menu with your account details and several quick actions. From that profile menu, choose Check for Updates. This is the built-in updater that securely connects to Zoom's servers and compares your installed version with the latest available release. After you click it, Zoom will run a quick check. If you're already up to date, you'll see a confirmation letting you know there's nothing more to do. If an update is available, Zoom will begin downloading it automatically and prepare to install it. Depending on the size of the update and your internet speed, this can take anywhere from a few seconds to a couple of minutes. Keep the app open while it works to avoid interrupting the process. Once the update finishes downloading, Zoom may prompt you to apply the update. You can expect the app to briefly restart so the new version can load correctly. This is normal and helps ensure that all fixes and features are applied cleanly. If you had any meetings scheduled, don't worry. You can reopen Zoom right after and join as usual. A few tips to make this smoother. It's best to do this when you're not in a live meeting and while you have a stable internet connection. If you don't see the Check for Updates option in the profile menu, you may be viewing Zoom in a web browser instead of the desktop app, or your organization may manage updates for you, in which case the option can be disabled by your IT team. That's all there is to it. Click your profile in the upper right, then choose Check for Updates, and let Zoom handle the rest. Keeping the app updated helps you avoid glitches, stay secure, and enjoy the newest features as soon as they're released. Thanks for watching, and happy conferencing.